So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin kabola, hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa pong trade rumor kabola. First, magsasuggest po tayo ng mga top 3 teams na pwedeng to-market po kay Calvin Abueva, and then of course we will talk about an Ginebra superstar kabola. So may di pa subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. Start natin muna comments ng mga fans. Sabi po dito, pa-shoutout sa'yo, sabi ni Ronald Barbusidad, continue support to. Kulela talaga palagi, pera pirma at bossing kasi lahat ng magagaling na player na galing sa draft andun lahat sa SMC teams, BGK, SMB or Max. Tignan nyo mga lineup nila, panggilas, sabi niya kabola. Of course, real talk lang yan, hindi lang naman yung tatlong SMC teams kabola, di ba? Of course, nandun din yung sa napupunta sa TNT. Fernando Panilio, si Perkins sana ang kunin ng Meralco, baka maunahan pa sila ni Chuapang, sabi niya kabola. ML Mag, sana iba naman nasa finals, ROS, Converge, Phoenix, sawang-sawa na SMC teams versus MVP teams dahil puro swapang kaya wala na nanonood. Kung wala sana farm team, yung mga farm team na yan, sabi niya kabola. Again, ayaw aminin niya ng PBA ayaw nilang tanggapin kabola, and at one of the reason kabola, kaya wala na po or bumababa po yung mga nanonood kabola is yung existence po ng farm teams kabola, di ba? Ayaw nila aminin, wala ay yung sa paniniwala kasi nila overall kabola na yung ginagawa na yan ng MVP SMC is okay lang kasi they are the two conglomerates who are keeping this league going. Parang ganun po kasi yung thinking kabola currently. Now, speaking of other leagues kabola, currently dominating kabola, yung marami tayong mga Pinoy po na imports doon na nagdo-dominate. Ray Parks, this is supposed by Sir Ryan Alba, second currently in PPG, then 4th po in points per 36 minutes. Kai Soto, 5th naman po in points per game, 1st in rebounds per game, 2nd in blocks per game, di ba? AJ Edu, 1st in block per game. SJ Belangel naman sa KBL, 6th sa point per game, 7 in assists per game. Eton Alvano, the reigning KBL MVP, 2nd in points per game, 4th in assists per game. And Carl Tamayo, 9th in point per game, 3rd in rebound per game. So again, they are dominating kabola, and of course this is good to see. It shows kabola yung quality din po talaga ng mga pinapadala nating imports sa ibang lugar, which is speaks a lot din naman dun sa current po na situation natin as a basketball nations, di ba? So I hope dumami pa kabola, di ba? So the better, di ba? Nag-i-improve yung overall po na skill level ng basketball natin kapag mas marami pa pong nag-i-import sa ibang bansa. Punta na tayo sa mga pag-uusapan natin. First, ito na muna kay Calvin Abueva kabola. So, yun nga, no? They're starting to question kabola if this guy's in the trade block. So, I named the top 3 teams that should consider trading for him. Number 3 kabola will be Barangay Ginebra. And this is more about the reality that Calvin Abueva is still the number 1 never say die type of player kabola in the PBA. Kabola. Either number 2 siya with Thompson, I don't know. Pero overall, with that alone, kabola, there's that should be na dapat i-consider talaga ng Ginebra, kabola, ang pagkuha kay Calvin Abueva. Number 2, Blackwater Bossing, kabola. I just want them to create this very, very enjoyable po na core, diba? They already have Bearfield there, kabola. The Christian David is also fun. Kwakoteye, kabola. The other guards, kabola, all of them are fun players, kabola. I want them to add Abueva and make this even juicier, even more entertaining to watch. Pero number 1 of course, Converge is still the most possible destination, kabola, because of his connection to Governor Delta Pineda, and in a way, yung type niya po sa player, kabola, yung position niya, yan din naman yung need po ng Converge. Now, ang isa pong trade rumor na maganda rin pag-uusapan, na hindi masyadong na pag-uusapan, pero multiple times na siya nabanggit is Nobadwa, is the reality daw, the possibility na ito nga pong si Jamie Malonzo ay iti-trade po ng Ginebra, which is for me, shocking siya. Kasi nga, I really see Jamie Malonzo as one of the clear kabola na maging MVP contender the moment po na hindi na po MVP level yung laruan ng isang Pahardo. Kabola. This guy 6'6", 6'7", kabola. He can defend all 5 positions, kabola, and offensively, he's one of the most versatile, most modern type of player. And of course, kitang-kita naman yan sa laro sa Ginebra. The biggest potential reason kung bakit siya iti-trade ng Ginebra is yung current po na injury situation niya is mas malala pa kaysa sa currently po na alam natin, kabola. Other than that, maybe Coach Tim Con just knows that they need more of a healthy player than someone na hindi po or palagi nai-injured like itong si Malonzo. Kung mababa sa palagay mo, pag ikaw Ginebra, ito trade mo ba si Malonzo? Comment lang po sa baba.